So WordPress has just announced the release of the new AI website builder. Now, I would imagine this will be a WordPress website builder that enables you to essentially create a custom page with theme, which would then be added to the usual WordPress content management system, and not just a generic text to AI website builder, for example, allowing you to build plain HTML and CSS sites. Now, this can be accessed at wordpress.com/AI website builder. I'll also leave the link in the description. Now, WordPress is a popular content management system, and WordPress.com is the for-profit business part of the Automatic Group. Now, if you're up to date with developer news, then you would be aware of the drama over the past few months. I think it was about a week ago that they laid off 16% of the workforce in an effort to run the company leaner and increase profitability. Now, many businesses in this space are turning to AI products to stay competitive. It would make sense that WordPress.com doesn't want to be left behind, considering the amounts of websites already hosted with WordPress.com. And then last week, I made a video on the new Flutter app, Dreamflow, which also is a text-to-AI app builder. So yeah, a lot of businesses are definitely moving in this direction. But let's try out the new WordPress website builder and see what it can do. So let's say I wanted to create a WordPress website for my YouTube channel. So we'll say create a WordPress website for my YouTube channel. The site name should be order of the code. And then I can also just say I would like it to have a black and white color scheme. Then what else can I say? Because it's mainly YouTube videos on my channel, we can maybe ask if it can you make sure that for blog posts the featured image is a featured video, which is my YouTube video embed. And then I can also just say I want the following pages. Let me change that. A home page, a about us page, and a contact us page. Let's see if it can also add elements to the page. Can you add a contact form on the contact us page? Okay, let's see what happens. Now, I wonder if we'll need to create a new site, but it does seem to be doing something in the background. Okay, making it beautiful, that's good. Personalizing. Let's see. I wonder if it will take us into the WordPress dashboard. Okay. Cool. My content is coding to tutorials. Okay, let's see. Yes, create my site. Now, apparently, once the site's been created, you can then use follow-up prompts to edit the site, or you can actually go into the WordPress dashboard and edit things manually. So that would also be pretty cool. So if this works pretty nicely, I think it'll be quite a direct competitor to page builders like Divi and Elementor, for example. Okay, pretty basic, plain site. Looks almost like the base WordPress theme. We'll do that later. Let me see the site. Cool, so it's got a nice editor here. Let's see if I can ask it to make the header black. Okay, so just ask it to make the header of my site black and then the text link elements to be white. So let's see how long it takes for it to do that. Okay, so it says the selected block does not support that. Okay, so it looks like we need to select a block. Let's try that again. Okay, so it doesn't seem to be understanding what I'm asking, but just review what it's done. So we did ask for 3 pages: home, about, contact. At the moment, it doesn't seem like we can edit this really. Let's see what happens when we click save. And then let's see what happens when we view site. Okay. So it's asking me to upgrade, but let's see if we can still. Okay, so now the header is working. So let's say we go to the contact page. Let's see if there's a contact form. Okay, it's managed to add a contact form. Added some other generic content. So not too amazing, but I mean, for AI, it definitely has some potential. Yeah, so be keen to see where this goes. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful or learned something new, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tech videos.